Hello, my name is Eric from C&L Aerospace. Today we will demonstrate the use of C&L's engine maintenance stand. The CT7 engine maintenance stand, part number CL-HMV915126, is designed to house the engine assembly or the power unit assembly during engine maintenance activity. Warning: the engine maintenance stand is not designed for separation of the PGB from the power unit. The PGB will not be supported should separation occur, and damage to the PGB and power unit is likely. To install the engine assembly onto the engine maintenance stand, it is first necessary to loosen the 20 bolts securing the 4 support arms and the rear lower mount on the stand to allow for free movement of the arms and lower mount. After the bolts are loose, slide the 4 support arms to the outermost points to allow for adequate clearance of the engine assembly. Remove the lower mount aft adapter from the engine maintenance stand and attach to the power unit lower midframe, located at approximately the 5 and 7 o'clock positions using the hardware provided. Using a suitable lifting device and the engine hoist adapter or the power unit hoist adapter respectively, center the engine assembly over the engine maintenance stand. Begin lowering the engine assembly until the power unit lower mount aft adapter is aligned with the holes on the lower aft mount of the stand. Install the 2 quick release pins provided through the aft adapter and lower aft mount. If using the engine hoist adapter CL2C90509G01, perform the following steps. Position the 2 forward support arms beneath the PGB strut brackets until hole alignment is achieved. It may be necessary to move the engine assembly fore or aft for optimum alignment. Once the engine assembly is lined up to the support arms, it is necessary to tighten the bolts securing the 2 forward support arms and rear lower mount before allowing the full weight of the engine assembly to be supported by the stand. After the bolts have been tightened, slowly lower the engine assembly onto the support arms. Install the appropriate hardware to secure the engine assembly to the maintenance stand. If using the power unit hoist adapter CL2C90500G02, perform the following steps. Once the power unit assembly is lined up to the support arms, it is necessary to tighten the bolts securing the 2 mid-support arms and rear lower mount before allowing the full weight of the power unit assembly to be supported by the stand. After the bolts have been tightened, slowly lower the power unit assembly onto the support arms. Install the appropriate hardware to secure the power unit assembly to the maintenance stand. After initial installation of an engine assembly is complete, it should not be necessary to perform the above procedures unless the support arms or lower power unit mount is moved, or variances in engine mounts are noticed. The engine maintenance stand is now set up to accept an engine assembly or a power unit assembly. Please note, these instructions are intended to describe how to use the engine maintenance stand. These instructions are not intended, nor should they be used to perform maintenance activities on an aircraft article. Please consult with the article's approved maintenance manual for performing maintenance on that article.